Wow, I'm back here at this restaurant. Oh my god. I've been studying for about a month or so. I should be able to read some Japanese. I know a few kanji. This should be okay. I got this. I got this. You've been preparing for this moment, Dre. Let's go. Time to order some food. Okay, where's this guy? Where is this guy? Alright, let's see. Yes. Irashaimase!
はい。何名様ですか?
Hahaha. I'm not even my final form. Nime sama desu.
はい、どうぞ.
Oh yeah, I nailed it. Huh, I got this. As usual, my friend is late. Wow, okay. Wow, nice.
あ、英語メニューは?
Is this guy serious? Hahaha. Nihongo okay desu.
どうぞ.
Hi. How hard could this be? Whoa, wait a minute. Whoa, is the light dim in here? Whoa. What are these things? This is, oh crap, this is Japanese. That's that next level kanji-ish. I need help now. Get help. Call him. Sumimasen. Louder. Get Sumimasen. No. Use the Japanese Sumimasen. Use that Japanese nasal thing. Hurry up. Sumimasen. Hi, Gakusama. Right. Eigo menu. English menu, please. Shosho machi kudasai. Thanks. What? I'm hungry and I can't understand on this. On a good day, I can read hiragana, katakana too, but kanji's just too hard. I need somebody who can translate these words for me. I need somebody who can speak Japanese. Hungry days when we go to the restaurant. Tell me, can you read Japanese? Yeah. The menu comes and there ain't no pictures or English. Can you read kanji? Can you read kanji? Oh, can you read kanji? Alright guys, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up please. Hit that notification bell so you know when I upload new videos. Share, subscribe, comment down below. Tell me what you think. Listen, these are real life struggles of foreigners in Japan, yo. Straight up. Oh, wait, you want one more? It's driving me out of my mind. I can't read the kanji on this sign. It's driving me out of my head. Alright, we're done.